Hi boys and girls, Miss Pickowitz here on day number 3. You should have just watched the song, the animated song to Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I sent your moms and dads the link for that. So now that you've watched that song, we read the book yesterday, we made our own tree yesterday. Today we're going to use this paper. So there should be the paper in your packet behind the tree you made. We're going to get this one out. I think I may have forgotten to tell you yesterday and on your cutting paper earlier, but don't forget to be putting your name at the top of the paper so we get into that habit. It's an important habit to get into. You're going to have to put your name on your paper in school for the rest of the time you're in school. So let's get our Chicka Chicka Boom Boom tree paper out with the letters on it. And you're going to need your crayons and a pencil so you can write your name. And I'm gonna start my name at the top next to this word right here that starts with an N. N-A-M-E. You're gonna see that word a lot. That spells name. And you're going to start your name right next to that word. And you're going to write your name on your paper. Just like this. Okay, and then after you write your name, you're going to listen. Don't color anything yet. This is a listening assignment. So I'm going to say the name of the letter. And if you don't recognize the letter, it's okay. I'm going to give all my friends a few seconds that know it to go ahead and find it. And then I'll pick the paper up and I'll show you which letter if you don't know. It's okay. We're learning our letters this year. So the first letter that I want you to color is O. O looks like a circle. So I'm going to give you a minute. See if you can find the O on your paper. And then I will show you where the O is. While you're looking for the O, I want you to know that O makes two sounds. O says ah, like octopus. And see, my mouth made a shape like a O, ah, when I said the O sound. And O also says its name and says O. So we're going to color this one right here. This is the O. So everybody's going to get their crayons, and I'm going to do it too. You're going to color the O on your paper. And everybody should have just colored right here. There's your O. Then the next letter that we're going to look for and we're going to try to color is the S. See if you can find letter S on your own. If you can't, it's okay. I'm going to show you in a minute. And S makes one sound and it goes S, like a snake. And S is up here, the top of the tree, right there. So I want everybody to color their S. I'm coloring my S. And you should have colored at the top of your paper and colored the S right there. The next letter that we're going to color. Okay, boys and girls, sorry about that. The next letter that we're going to look for to find on our tree is the E. If you know what E looks like, go ahead and find it and color it. If you don't, I'm going to show you in a minute. An E is not a letter that has two sounds. E says his name, he says E, and E also says eh, like elephant. So on your paper, you're going to color the E. And he's at the top too. You're going to color it right there under my finger. Right there. And we're going to color our E And then you're gonna wait on Miss Pickowitz to color hers. And I'm coloring it blue. Then when I'm done coloring it, I'll show you. La la la, coloring my E. E says eh, E says eh, E says E. There we go. Right there. Should have colored your E. Okay, the next letter we're going to look for to color is the Z. Z is the last letter of the alphabet. It ends the alphabet. And I'm going to give you a minute to find Z on your papers. And Z says Z, like zebra, like buzz. Z, z, zebra. Right there by my finger is the Z. And then we're going to color our Z. And Z, it says buzz. Says zebra. Z. Color our C. Z. 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 And you should have colored the Z right there. And the next letter we're going to find to color is the A. A starts the alphabet. A is at the beginning of the alphabet. So find the A on your paper. And if you know where the A is, go ahead and color it. And if not, I'll tell you where A is in just a minute. And A says two sounds. A says ah, like apple. And A says its name, A. So right here is the A. And we're going to color the A. Because A says ah, and A says ah, A says A, and A says ah, and we're coloring our A. And there you go. Should have colored your A. The next letter that we're going to look for is the T. T, that you look for on your paper, and I'll show you in a minute. T says T, like top, T, T, top. And T is at the very bottom. He's right there. And we're going to color our T. T says T, T says T. T. We colored our T. You should have colored that right there. And the next letter that I want you to color is M. I'll let you find M for a minute on your paper. And while you look for it, I'm going to tell you what M says. And M says, like monkey, or good. So M is right here, right above the monkey, monkey. And we're gonna color our M. And we're coloring our M because M says M says monkey, M says and there you go. You should have colored the M. Okay, we only have 2 letters left that we haven't colored yet. 2 letters. And the next letter that we're gonna find to color is the L. I want you to find the L, and I want you to color the L. L says ooh, like a lion and a lollipop, and the L is right there. So we're going to color the L. L says ooh. L says ooh. I'm moving my tongue when I say that. L says ooh. lion, lollipop. Oh, and you should have colored the L. We have one letter left to color on our papers. And that letter that we're gonna color that I want to use. We're gonna color the X. Can you find the X? There's only one letter we haven't colored. X says X, like fox and box. And we're gonna color our X. X says X, like fox and box. That's at the end of those words. That's not the beginning. And we colored X right there. So you should have colored all your letters. And now that you've colored all your letters, you can color your own tree. And then after you colored your tree, mommy, daddy, or the adult at home can send me the picture of your tree, or you can show me next time when we're on Zoom. That is our Chicka Chicka Boom Boom tree for today. Until next time, boys and girls, see you soon.